When composers write music, it can often start as a simple tune stuck in their head. But then it grows as they put work into the surrounding notes. Sometimes they can even weave together multiple melodies into a new one. These are called musical textures. Hold that thought. I went bouncing around in my files the other day and I noticed something. Multiple somethings. All these unused creative could-have-beens that just didn't make the cut. So much scaffolding just to harmonize a finished video. What about you? What's the texture of your hard work? Keep getting smarter. This ocean of information's big enough for all of us. Thanks for swimming in my small part of it, and catch you next time.